don't know what the fuck was I just running for. That shit was crazy. I feel like I'm losing my fucking mind. Let me go in the fucking house. Tripping. What's good, y'all? DDT back here with another vlog. Yeah, today we gonna be vlogging. I don't know what the fuck. Yeah. What the fuck? The fuck? Y'all see this bullshit? I had a whole box of pizza the other day. What the fuck? How the fuck did they just take my shit and just leave me with 3 pieces? Fuck it. I don't give a fuck. I'm still these bitches. But yeah, man. Make sure you guys go and follow my new Instagram. You can either go follow my main Instagram or my YouTube Instagram. My main Instagram is Polo Trello. Polo Trello. POLOTRELLOO. Just in case for you dumbass niggas. For you dumbass niggas, go and follow that page. Or you can go follow. What I really want you to do is go follow my YouTube Instagram. Polo Made DDT. For you dumbass niggas again. POLOMADE DDT. Polo Made DDT. For you slow ass niggas. Shit. The fuck, nigga? I ain't even 20 minutes with that picture for no damn 20 minutes. Yeah. I'm gonna throw this box away. Oh, shit. Move that beat to the bottom right there. Move that beat to the bottom right. Oh. Hard ass door. Shit. Ooh. While my pizza cooking. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, man. Look at what the fuck? I need a fucking whole fucking edge up, like I need a fucking edge up. My shit getting out of line. It's getting way too out of line. I can't cook this pizza for too long. This shit start getting nasty. I swear, it's like pizza tastes good. Why pizza tastes better when you warm it up, when you re-warm it, compared to when it's out the box? I swear pizza tastes good when it's like that. What? Oh, fucking dog. I'm gonna take you outside for a walk. What? No, don't. Let's see if I can set this up. Oh yeah, we good. Yeah, so I swear this shit tastes good the second time compared to the first time. Let me chill out. Let me chill out. I have fun. It's so hot. I'm not to myself and doing shit. I can't wait till I get my original camera, fucking Canon. That's what I'm really waiting on. Till I get that, I'm stuck with the phone. But sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do to get your shit done. Should I take her out? She don't know how to act. Here come all these bitches. What bitch? Well, you a boy, so what bitch? I'm fucking with you. I'm fucking with you, man. I'm fucking with you. What the fuck? Oh, damn. Shit crazy. Y'all don't even have y'all collar. Do y'all even got your collar? Y'all even got your collar on? Oh, buddy do, yeah. I'm taking you for a walk, lady. I don't feel like putting all that shit on. Huh. Alright, yeah, so like I said, yeah. I'm walking my fucking dog right now. Yeah. I swear it stay boring where I live at. Like, that's okay though. Cause when I get big, we gonna be partying, my nigga. When I get big, we gonna be partying our ass off, my nigga. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, my nigga. Damn. Shit, we got this fucking sun. Bright ass fucking sun. I don't give a fuck, my nigga. We gonna be partying our ass off. Shit. All this shit gonna get serious. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. I swear my fucking hair looking so bad right now. I don't like how my hair looking right now. This shit is weird. Come on, nigga. Crazy ass dog. My nigga, don't. What the fuck is this? All this weird shit starting to pop up in front of my face now. Shit crazy. Come on, man. Damn. Oh, that. Shit. Oh my. Y'all see this shit, right? What the fuck on? Come the fuck on. Come. Okay, bitch. Come the fuck on, man. Not finna be doing this shit. This is why I can't take my dogs on a fucking walk. Shit is crazy. Shit. Okay, nigga, stop. Hey man, this is my first vlog, so yeah. Y'all gonna have to kind of let me know how I did. I feel like I'm doing pretty good right now, but I don't know, because I mean, let me know. Get your bitch ass out the street. Come on, nigga. The fuck, nigga, trying to get around. Come on. I got time for this bullshit. I want in the comment section. I want y'all to let me know how I did and shit like that. I mean, like I said again, this is my first vlog, so I don't really know. Oh my god! If you guys didn't already like the video, and go subscribe. How about do that? If y'all didn't do that already, go and like the video and go subscribe. Matter of fact, I'm gonna wait on y'all. Like right now. Buddy, we're not going nowhere. No, we're not going nowhere. Until they go subscribe. Nope, we're not going nowhere. Go subscribe. Right now. I said we're not going nowhere. What the fuck? Y'all see this shit? The poll up. Okay, yeah. Okay, come on. Ah, fuck. Alright. I had to fix that shit. I know that shit was hurting. It looked painful. Come on, man. Let's go. Shit. This shit looked painful. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh, yeah, y'all can see him. Little ass dog. This not even my dog. This is my aunt's dog. Nigga, don't listen, man. Come on. Shit. I get me a dog. It's not gonna be nothing like this at all. I'm gonna get a fucking big ass fucking German Shepherd. I said German Shepherd. German Shepherd. Rottweiler. Oh, there's glass over there, nigga. German Shepherd or a Rottweiler or some shit. These little ass dogs crazy. They can't listen worth shit. and they can't protect you. I mean, they do something, but nigga, a big ass nigga come in the house, what they gonna do? The fuck are they gonna do? They gonna start barking and start backing up like some fucking bitch ass dogs. Like the fuck they is. Shut the fuck up. Shit. Oh, he listen. He listen. I'm proud. I feel proud of myself. Damn, I got the whole fucking 360. This nigga wanna wrap around my fucking back. Yeah. But I'm enjoying this. I'm gonna probably do plenty more of these type of videos. I really am. I'm gonna do plenty more of these types of videos. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Fucking friend. Fuck ass nigga. Man, like your bitch ass in. Damn, bro. If you wrap around me again, I'm slapping your punk ass. Shit. Shit getting mad and annoying. Damn. It's bright as shit outside. I swear, nigga, come on. Damn. Alright, yeah. It's bright as shit outside. I can't wait till I get me a car. It's over, my nigga. I'm going everywhere in the vlog. I'm tripping. Turn. I'm going everywhere in the vlog, my nigga. Give a fuck, nigga. You name it, I'm going, my nigga. Except for no gay ass shit. Don't drag me to no gay ass shit. No trouble. No gay ass shit, no trouble. Other than that, I'm going. Damn. Long ass. But yeah, this vlog basically just introducing y'all into what I'm gonna be doing in my vlog, basically. I mean, this is not all I'm gonna be doing, but I had to put out something. For you guys. And I felt like me having to walk my dog. And come on, y'all see this shit? He just took off the fucking chain. Okay. Yep. Come on. Sit. Man, you making me go through all this bullshit, man. Damn. Let me just. Yeah, alright. Had to get this nigga right. Get this little nigga right. Come on, nigga. You going in the street. Come on. Yeah. So, I'm gonna be doing more than, like I said, I'm gonna be doing more than just this random shit. But, I mean, it's something. It's something, so. Whatever I gotta do, I'ma do it. No matter what it is. As long as you guys show that y'all support me by liking, subscribing, commenting what I should do, and more shit like that, then we good. We gonna be good. That's all to it, basically. I think tomorrow, I'm gonna do daily vlogs. I'm gonna do a vlog every day. I'm gonna try to upload probably 2 to 3 videos a day. Most likely, I'm gonna try to upload 2 to 3 videos a day and shit like that. So, yeah, yeah. Yep. This YouTube shit is actually kind of fun. You just gotta, doing YouTube is a really like fun, and it's not easy because you gotta it takes a lot of work for you to edit videos and shit like that. But doing videos and shit, the fuck? How the fuck you doing? Okay, but what the fuck? Y'all see this shit? How the fuck they get out the house?